Hey there, fellow adventurers of the Grand Line, ready to set sail on an epic voyage, just like the quest for the fabled One Piece? But before we embark on this incredible journey, let's take a moment to ponder the awesome analogy between sailing and life. You see, as we navigate through the vast sea of existence, we come to realize that the key to a fulfilling life lies in the company we keep, kind of like skilled sailors working together on a ship. Think about it. Every experienced captain knows the importance of building a crew that complements each other's strengths and covers for weaknesses. It's just like how we, as individuals, need to surround ourselves with like-minded and compatible people. You know that old maritime saying about averaging the 5 when forming a crew? Well, it means we should carefully consider each person's qualities to create a balanced and harmonious team. Life's journey is a lot like sailing towards our own version of the legendary One Piece, our dreams and aspirations. And just like skilled sailors on a majestic vessel, our crewmates play a crucial role in our voyage. Imagine them as the vital puzzle pieces of our life's journey, with each contributing their unique talents, perspectives, and virtues to steer us towards our destination. Imagine your crewmates as essential gems in the tapestry of your life. You've got your navigator, expertly charting the course to avoid dangerous waters and discover new horizons. They're like your trusted confidant, offering wisdom and strategies to overcome challenges and stay the course through life's ups and downs. And there's the helmsman, standing at the heart of the ship, symbolizing strength and determination. They skillfully navigate through rough waters and strong currents, just like a supportive friend or mentor who stands by you during tough times, helping you stay on track even when things get tough. Now, meet the ship's cook, filling the air with delightful aromas, nourishing your body and soul, and keeping you energized for the journey. Likewise, your positive and encouraging friends keep your motivation high, reminding you of your capabilities and inspiring you to never give up. The swordsman on board acts as your fierce protector, guarding the crew against threats and danger. Similarly, a true friend stands by your side, shielding you from negativity and self-doubt, creating an environment of trust and support. Last but not least, the musician with their melodious tunes spreads joy and inspiration, making every moment a cherished memory. Surrounding yourself with like-minded and positive individuals does the same. It uplifts your soul and reminds you of the beauty life has to offer. But here's the catch. Just as every sailor knows the consequences of having the wrong people on board, we need to be careful too. Incompatible and negative individuals can bring chaos and turmoil into our lives, just like a storm on the horizon. Hanging around with smokers, alcoholics, and gamblers can lead us astray and sabotage our dreams. So as we set sail on this grand voyage, let's be mindful of the power of compatible crewmates. Choose wisely and surround yourself with those who share your vision, values, and determination, just like a united crew sailing toward the legendary One Piece. By avoiding those who don't align with your goals and values, you'll have a harmonious and driven crew that can conquer any challenge on this epic journey of life. Now, hoist the sails and embark on your quest, surrounded by your compatible crewmates, ready to overcome all obstacles and reach the treasure that lies ahead, your very own One Piece. If you enjoyed this adventure and life lesson, give it a hearty like and subscribe for more epic tales from the world of grand voyages and beyond. Until next time, fair winds and smooth seas to you all.